Nesting is a really useful feature to use when you've worked on a particular section of a video and you don't really want its details cluttering up the timeline, or you want to be able to move it from one place to another as a particular unit. So what you do is almost kind of create a subsequence, and then you can move that around as one complete entity. Very simple to do. You simply lasso all the elements that constitute that area. So if I can just lasso, click and drag around that, and then if I right click here and just simply choose nest, then ask me for a name of this nested sequence. So let's call this opening part 1. And then you see the display is much simplified. It just opens one particular video track. Now the advantages of this are that I've I haven't locked it down, but I can see that this area, maybe someone's approved it and thought, yeah, that all works. We just need to work on what happens either side of that. It's still all there. You see that it's just kind of combined it into one particular thing going on here like this. But what I could also do, so I could go here, create a new sequence, for instance. Sequence. This probably won't be the right resolution, but I'm going to take that opening part 1 and drop it in, because that's what I want to work in. I'll probably say change sequence settings to match that footage. Yep, do that. And it comes in here as the complete clip again. So it's a quick and easy way of moving that around. But if I want to go back and look at that in particular or edit it, I can make changes to this. So I could go here. So let's, for instance, just come up here and maybe put a title in here really quickly. File, new, legacy title, box there, okay, and just any old nonsense. There we go. Save that. So we've got this title. Just drop that in there like that. Just save this here now. So now if I go to this new sequence I created, which is sequence 2, what you'll see is that it hasn't added it to that. But I can make changes to this individual nested sequence. If I wanted to, I could nest this as a variant of that, or take the one that I have put the title on, which is this one here, nest this and call it something else. So this could be opening part 1 with titles, for instance. So nesting is a very easy way to maybe work on subsequences, and then you can drop it into a larger master sequence if you want. This way you could break up a larger project into scenes, and then people could simply move one nested sequence into another one, knowing that that's already kind of finalized, and just butt them up together as if it was one continuous clip.